G'day you mob, Pete here from Aussie English and welcome to another episode of Aussie Slang where I teach you guessed it, some Australian slang. So this series is all about teaching you words and phrases that are used by Australians but that you can use too when speaking English in order to sound more like an Aussie. And we've already started. Aussie is obviously an Australian. Anyway, today's episode is all about the term or the word ace. Man, that thing is ace. I've got a few mates and they are all ace. So I wonder if you know what that means, if something is ace. If something is ace, it is excellent. It is awesome. It is really, really good. So, for example, I love going to my local gym to work out because it is ace. I recently got a new car and it is absolutely ace. It's excellent. It's brilliant. It is an awesome car. It is ace. There are quite a few other terms and expressions and words that you can use in Australian English that also mean ace. And I wonder if you can think of any, right? So maybe comment below if you can think of any synonyms in Australian slang for the term ace, something that is awesome, excellent, and I might give you a hint. Maybe a shorter word for beautiful is a really good Australian slang term. Besides that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'm trying to keep them short so that you can listen many times and get a taste of as much Australian slang as possible. Stay tuned for the next episodes, and if you want anything else related to Australian English, culture, history, news, everything like that, go to aussieenglish.com.au and subscribe to this channel or this podcast wherever you're viewing or listening to this episode, and you will get more content just like this. See you later.